I did a little bit of calculations here on this one. So if you look at the Bitcoin halving progress, exactly where we are today compared to previous cycles. So in the, technically it's called the second cycle, but many people still refer to it as the first because the first cycle was really, Bitcoin was in its infancy, 64 days. But this back in 2015, the Bitcoin price from the date we have today in the same level of the halving run, Bitcoin price went from 369 to 698. That means from October 31st, 2023 to April, say 13th, 2024, that's that little white strip. That's the same window of time we're talking about, the approximately was 164 days or something, give or take a day. That's how much we have left. Now, in the first proper run, we ran 89%. In the second proper run, it went from 6,930 to 9,980, but we did have that C19 blip in the middle. The halving was in May 2020. The blip was in March 2020. That's the dip. So even taking that out, we still had a 44% gain. All right. And the market was very rattled. If that C19 blip didn't happen, it probably would have been a lot more. But if you pull out the average of this between 44% and 89%, that means we could technically have a gain of 68.5%. Okay, now if we calculate 66.5%, okay, so if we take 1.665 and multiply that by 30, call it $35,000 approximately in my little head, that could take the Bitcoin price, everybody ready?